take your finger from the top right and pull down, and just pull down once again. Now, if you don't see the screen record option right within this section right here, go ahead and click on Edit, which is the pencil icon next to the power button right here. Click on that. And then this is the section that we're going to focus on. Go ahead, click on the Edit button right here. Now, it should be available under the Available Buttons section right here. If you don't see it, go ahead and swipe to the right. So we currently see it here. It's Screen Record. Go ahead, click on Screen Record. Now it has been added. Now in the top right, go ahead and click on Done. Go ahead and click on Done once again. And if we just pull down, we should see the option here for Screen Record. And then we should be able to do the screen recording here on the Samsung tablet. Let's go ahead, click on Screen Recording here. Wait for the countdown, and then we should now have the option to do the screen recording here on the Samsung tablet. So hopefully that helped you.